Hi Bookies, it's your girl Lene. Welcome back to my vlog. Today is a Juneteenth vlog and I plan on going to the Juneteenth festival. As of right now, I just got up, y'all. If y'all hear my voice, I've been under the weather for the past couple of days, so that's why I kind of sound stuffy. But I'm feeling way better today. It was the pollen, y'all. I went to orientation earlier this week for college, so it was a lot of I can't even talk. It was a lot of pollen flying around, so yeah, I was very bedrotten. So yeah, but y'all, so that's what I plan on doing today. It's currently like I think it's like 5 something. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:23 p.m.
Yeah, 5:23 p.m. I think the festival started at 5. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to the festival. Mwah.
She be shamed, dogs.
Music, they playing that good black music. Chudley, that's the one. Yeah, they playing that song, y'all. They was playing Soulja Boy. They playing all the good black music, y'all. I'm just ready to eat because I haven't ate all day, so hopefully the food truck line's not that long. And then this is a bigger part, so I feel like they should have more vendors than they had at the other one.
They definitely should have.
Yeah. Y'all can't see me because I'm black. I'm dark skinned, y'all. I'm the biggest Juneteenth. Y'all, hold on. This is cute. Oh, happy Juneteenth. Last Juneteenth, me and Kiki was together, y'all. So at this point, it's a tradition when she get back from college and shit. They said they were coming with us, so I left them. Yeah.
Oh, God, I'm still snapping. Wait, hold on, y'all. Oh, so cute. That would have been cute if you would have stayed right there.
Girl, it's because you're so short and I'm up there. I see him. They took too long to save. Cute. Okay. Girl, that's not cute. Y'all, Kiki's okay.
No, I don't. You just gotta let me get him. I'm done. Here.
Hi, I'm freaking. I'm so crashing. It's on you now, okay? Period. Who you here with, your friends?
What are you doing here?
I just got here. It's morning. How long have y'all been here?
We was in art class together in high school, y'all.
I want the tickling. I want the tickling. Please say hey for the vlog. This is good.
We down with
My You don't want no nothing?
Cheese?
No, I'm just saying you don't want no mustard. Nothing. No, okay.
No mustard ketchup? That's it?
Ain't though, but that smell good though.
Oh, yeah, no, like she made it next round.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yeah, is this the right way to 5th and Broad? I haven't been downtown, so I'm trying to figure out why so many white people out here in this Juneteenth. This is our little day. Y'all don't go back in the house. No shade. Right. I'm talking about some no shade. This is real shady.
They don't give a fuck about you.
If y'all can't hear me, I'm so sorry. I forgot my mic. What's that? Hopefully my cousin at work so I can get something for free. Please be at work. Please be at work. sushi. I think I'm getting some sushi. Or some Princess, I don't know. What you want?
I'm gonna place me a pickup runner.
I want some Dubai chocolate. I want some Dubai chocolate. Even though I'm on a diet, but I want some Dubai chocolate. You want tacos? What you want? Me too. Even though we finna spin a band and they ain't even finna get nothing to fill us. Ooh, they got Kava. I'm finna get Kava. For real? No, Kava's closed. I want Kava. I want Kava. So I guess I gotta get Shake Shack then. Can I get a iced strawberry matcha latte?
I don't know. Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Anything else? What's your name, madam? What's your name?
Kaya.
Okay, can you explain?
Oh, y'all only take tap?
Excuse me, madam?
Y'all only take tap?
Yeah, it's just card.
You got card on you?
Yeah.
Well, what kind of matcha you want?
What kind of guy?
This. They got strawberry and mango.
What you get?
Strawberry.
That's what I want. Can I get strawberry too?
Another strawberry matcha. You can add it on there.
Pearl, you want a 2?
2.
Explain.
I'm gonna go put some money on my card. Okay, thank you. Okay, y'all, we got some matcha. I'm finna put my whatchamacallit on. SRT, I need that. 5% show windows, baby. You just let your feedback. I'm finna change my mind.
Babe, we gotta do the video.
Oh, okay. Come on. I'm thirsty, baby. And I love me some matcha.
I'm gonna ask them to fix this. I'm not gonna lie. I can't do it.
Kiki finna ask them to fix it. You ready to go?
No.
You hungry?
No.
Girl, I just heard you say you hungry.
No, y'all can get this.
Huh?
Y'all can get this.
Get what? Girl, she said she trying to fix it. I'm not fix nothing, baby. I'm cool.
What she don't like about it?
It's not good at all. It don't taste good.
I'm over it now. For sure.
You always like that. Unless it's something that you want to do.
Correct.
Y'all, my cousin, she a spoiled brat.
I am not a spoiled brat.
Whatchamacallit?
Hey y'all. Sorry, I just interrupted her talking.
Ooh, have a good one. Hey guys. for you to say
Right,
so.
like, are you okay? Are you dead?
And now,
The old me will be itching and dying to go. Itching and dying to go. I mean, it would be the end all be all if I didn't go.